nire-represent nito, power stop. So when you do your power stop, you will land with your outside leg, inside leg. Then spin. First step mo sa spin, sa dulo ng mat. Second step, do the 3 and 2. Finish. Try natin. Lagyan lang natin ang pangalan. Call this second step finish. Kasi the reason why we call this second step finish, after your second step, you're going to jump and finish to the basket. So ito yung first step natin. First step, since asa left side ako. Second step sa logo, then finish. I-move ko lang to ng mas malayo. So ang purpose lang, for athleticism. Para mas ma-improve yung pagiging athletic natin. There you go. Straight through. First, second. Medyo mas malayo lang siya. There you go, Irv. There you go. So what? So this time, i-challenge kita ulit. I-adjust ko ulit to na mas malayo. So make sure your first step should be here. Second step should be there. So we're going to do first step finish. So any idea bakit first step finish? Kasi right after your first step, you're going to finish to the basket. You won't take your second step anymore. Just do your first step then finish. Yes sir. Second step finish. Go. First, second, there you go. Okay, there you go. Woo! Adjust natin, adjust. Ayan. Nice one. Last, third level, adjust. Yeah.